Purkhouti Muktangan is a tribal art, culture and tradition park in Naya, Raipur. An excellent place to show the tribal art and culture of Chattisgarh. It is a 200 acres heritage and cultural farm. It has ample greenery with huge trees, enough space for children to roam and play. If you want to visit this place, you can travel through Raipur city bus or your own transport services. It is covered 200 acres. This is the place where you will interact with culture of Chattisgarh. The walls are beautifully painted with tribal art and local metalwork is used in fences, roofs and other places. The park itself is well laid out and maintained. Large statues of tribals in full regalia dot the park in various poses. The park displays the habitat, artifacts, folk dances, food habits, etc. of the tribals of Bastard. It also gives an insight into arts and crafts of tribals, which is truly mesmerizing. This is the place where you can relax, do photography and do sports and many more. We visited this place and enjoyed a lot. It's a great place to spend with family. My kids also enjoyed a lot. They were playing. Now let's take a look. Various types of native and tribal houses of Chattisgarh are constructed and are on display in Purkhouti Muktangan. Let's take a cultural journey through this magnificent place. This is the cave house. Really nice and looks beautiful. These are the some temples in Muktangan. Now we will watch some statues in Muktangan Park. This is the viewpoint. This is the circular type of house having beautiful carvings on the walls. Purkhouti Muktangan, a must-visit place if one is at Raipur. It's a showcase of Chattisgarh heritage treasure and good place for a family outing for a whole day.